Like rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling.
This is great.
You got this. You got this a little further, almost to the finish line.
It's going. This morning at the POC, it's about 10:30 in the morning. We decided to get up late. No, it's 4. Yeah. So we're heading to the Oak Mountain. Let's do day 2, ATC, something like that. It is 4 in the morning.
Ugh, rain.
Woo! Let's go.
Oh, that's blinding.
I'm just following today. I have no clue where I'm going.
Well, it's day 2 at Oak Mountain. The whole group's together. All right, let's do the blue trail, the green trail, the yellow trail. Oh yeah, and the Lunker Lake Trail, in and out. Great temperatures, sun's gonna come out, happy, hiking. Let's go.
Well, and what I figured out with Mammoth March is they take the route. It's all there.
That'd be nice.
Yellow? No.
We're going to
Blue
Got it.
is blue up to King's Chair. We'll take the little trail up to King's Chair. Then all the way across. Then we'll go down to Peine Falls if you want to. You don't have to, it's not part of the trail. Go down to Peine Falls, come back up. And then we'll take the green to yellow right there. And then puds. Pud. Here, and then we go take this little trail that's not on here.
I was like, damn, how did that guy get here? But it's just you.
Just me.
Oh, you're a snake.
Super sneak. Stranger danger. And that is Shackelford Point. That is the highest peak in the eastern United States.
Eastern United States.
Maybe eastern
East Alabama.
Maybe
Alabama.
right here, maybe the highest
Eastern
peak.
Birmingham.
Eastern Birmingham.
Maybe the highest peak we're looking at.
Right. It's a cracker.
Desperate.
Tally want a cracker? It's a breezy 58, 57 degrees. The rain is finally leaving us. It's time to go to King's Chair. Let's check it out and then hike the ridge over to Peine Falls. Great group on the ATC this week. These guys are super fast. I'm just trying to keep them in eyesight.
A lake. This is
I
a
love the sunshine lighting up the background.
Ooh.
The other one's pretty too, it's just not as big.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whew. All right.
Alabama Triple Crown.
A2.
You good?
I'm good, thank you.
You good?
It feels so good.
All right.
Sorry.
No, wait. Hey, wait, we need a break too.
As soon as you get here, I'm gone.
Yeah.
You always know my
That's what happens when you're fast, is we get the break and y'all come up.
Yeah.
I do that to Brendan all the time. He's like, wait a second, man. Like, can I take it, Brendan, too? No.
No. Should have been up here early.
I got my break.
I have to take pictures of the fast group when I can see them. It's very few and far between.
I'll sit down and rest while I can.
No trail. Thou shalt not pass.
That's right, unless you give me snacks.
We're heading on the little overlook trail. We got about 3 miles to the Peine Falls parking lot. We'll get trail magic, but I love this little ridge view. I wish the trail was on the spine, but it's not. Still beautiful though up here.
I bet Krista loved it when she came through here.
The dogwoods are out and about and blooming, and so you'll be going through this forest and it's real desolate with no leaves, and all of a sudden popping of those cross-like flowers on the dogwoods are so pretty.
Can we take the white trail? Because it's following the creek and it's a lot prettier than just taking this. So what we'll do, we'll hike down to White and then we'll take a left at the bridge and we'll follow White all the way to the creek. And then there is a white and blue creek crossing at the wood bridge. If you're coming out for Peine, that first bridge, that's where this comes out at.
I'm taking a little group on the side trail down to the bottom of Peine, and then we'll head back up to Trail Magic. Little sketch. Well, it's about that time. Trail Magic by the one and only Daniel's Sly Fox Poe.
Fly Fox.
Yes, sir. Daniel, you're the bomb, dude. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Wow.
Just so you know, those maple caramel donuts are horrible.
Oh, I bet.
They're horrible.
Special thanks to Daniel Sly Fox Poe for bringing Trail Magic to us. We're leaving Peine Falls parking lot and we're heading on the green trail, then the yellow trail and all the puds. Let's go. ATC.
No, we never did change your green and train and height. It's not worth it.
Almost epic, perfect day of hiking on the ATC. It's about 62, 63, I don't know. And the wind's blowing, it's a cool wind, but there's sunshine. This is kind of how you mapped it out. You just hope that you get this one of the 3 days, and we got it. Great day to hike. Everybody signs up for this challenge for what's about to come next, the yellow trail. It's the challenge everybody looks for, right? Puds? Puds. Puds. Welcome to Puds of Plenty. Number 2.
Number 2, right?
Number 2. Yes, you do, buddy.
Hood number 2 is very high on the subject.
I wouldn't shoot you a bird. But I don't want to do that on camera. Fist.
PUD number 5 on the ATC is one of my least favorites. I can show you the traffic jam up ahead of me. So congratulations to this group on the ATC. They are going up the last PUD. Congrats. Lucky 13 this time around. So our last PUD, and then we'll get to the Lunker Lake Trail and be done for the day, get some barbecue, go to Sipsey, and start all over again. Yes, sir. What's up, Tally? Taking a swim. I think we're gonna be at the end over 22 miles. ATC second day, second weekend. Congrats, people. Congrats, Stu.
Thanks, bro.
Repeat offender. Congrats, Brenda. Ashley,
Yay.
congrats. Nice. Melanie, Trail Magic. Good job, Krista.
Thank you.
Shane, yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Lord, good job.
Yep.
Way to go, Brian. Chris.
Wrap on day 2.
Well done. Tally. Bump, no, fist bump. Oh, she did, a nose bump. Nice. Woo! Let's do it again.
Run, boys and girls. Tomorrow.
We're gonna do it again now?
There's no fuel tomorrow.
We're gonna go the other way this time?
Let's do it. Night hike. We gotta get a picture.
Here is good, but then probably
Wow.
I know, right?
That potato is bigger than your head.
Yes.
Well, it's the end of night 2, and I'm heading to the Sipsey Wilderness. It's gonna be dark by the time I get there. Had a great dinner at Full Moon Barbecue. I've had an exciting time with this group. They are super fast, and I'm just trying to keep up. Second weekend, it's tough for an old man like me to hang in there with them, but it's been super fun. So I always call this the payoff hike. It's the reward hike, doing the Sipsey Wilderness. So let's go do it. 23 miles or so tomorrow. Let's go.